Alright, this is going to be a quick video. I just sharpened this 8-inch chef knife up on 1000 Shapton, and I've stropped it quite a bit. This is 0.3 chromium oxide just to kind of clean the edge up, knock the burr off. There's still going to be a burr on the edge after I'm done with this. A very fine one. You may have seen, different videos and forums and whatnot. You may have done it yourself. People using wood, cork, felt blocks and stuff like that for burr removal. Personally, for heavy burrs, I found that doing the draw through technique just doesn't work. However, on real fine burrs, it actually works quite well. I use felt block from Chef's Knives to Go quite a bit on my straight razors, and I find that it works quite well. But I just wanted to do a quick experiment and show you what kind of a difference just a few passes through a cork will make. So, like I said, I sharpened this on a Shapton 1000, and I've probably made a few dozen passes on it. It's just 0.3 micron chromium oxide on some sanded leather, the smooth side. And what I'm going to do is take a couple base measurements to see where it's at, and then I'm going to draw it through the cork and see what kind of difference that makes. Again, I'm not going for any kind of record levels of sharpness here. Just want to give you an idea of what kind of difference, what kind of an improvement you can expect to see if you use something like a cork to remove the fine burrs. What happens is, if you've got on this tester, if you've got any kind of burr on there, when you go to cut through the media, that burr basically collapses, folds over, and it just takes more pressure to cut through the test media, and it gives you a much higher reading. So this is a Shapton 1K to 0.3 micron chromium oxide, just on the smooth side of leather that I sanded. And I'm going to try and go in this same area right here so I can get somewhat accurate reading. So that's 105. Try one more here. It'd be better if I did 5 or 7 or 10, but this stuff's kind of expensive, so I'm only going to do a couple of each. 100, so that's really close, within 5 grams. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this, I'm going to draw it through 3 times. 1, 2, 3, using a decent amount of pressure, and I'm going to do 2 more, see where it's at. That's 40. $75. Try one more. I think I was just a little bit off of where I've been cutting that last one. So 75. So maybe it's off on that first one of the 3. Anyways, you can see it does make an improvement. It's not a huge improvement, but definitely an improvement. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.